Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming our world from search engines to medical diagnostics. But as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, AI bias is emerging as a critical issue, raising ethical, legal, and social concerns. In this video, we'll define AI bias and explore its different types to understand its significance. Let's begin by defining AI bias. AI bias occurs when AI systems produce unfair outcomes, favoring certain groups over others. This can result from biased data, flawed algorithms, or societal prejudices. Now let's explore the types of AI bias. Data bias happens when training data isn't representative, leading to skewed AI outcomes. Algorithmic bias arises from the design and parameters of the algorithms. Societal bias occurs when AI reflects and perpetuates existing societal inequalities. Real-world examples highlight the impact. Consider biased hiring algorithms or facial recognition systems that misidentify people with darker skin tones. These examples show how AI bias can have significant societal consequences. Next, let's look at the root causes of AI bias. Historical data plays a big role. Historical data often contains embedded biases reflecting past prejudices. When AI is trained on such data, it can inherit and perpetuate these biases. Algorithmic design is another factor. Algorithms can be biased due to developer assumptions or design choices, impacting the fairness of AI systems. And human bias can't be overlooked. Human biases can enter at various stages of AI development, from data collection to algorithm design, influenced by personal prejudices or societal norms.